rather than only building packages for people, you have leadership quality, you have self confidence, you are highly educated, right?
Yes.
So, what was your journey actually? You've gone through a downfall in life and you've
Yes.
just come back beautifully.
First of all, I would tell you that I have learned one thing in life, especially after COVID, that traveling is the best investment that you could have. Trust me, the memories and the investment that you can give it to yourself or your family is traveling.
It helps you grow.
It helps you grow. So that turned me into travels. Now, when we were discussing about the name of my company, I really wanted authentic and true stories. I wanted to capture that because I always believe that we are into a business of selling happiness. Travels is business of happiness, right? So we named it Travel Stories, where we can actually, you can live your stories and we can put up your stories. Then coming back to my downfall, yes, I have seen failures. I have seen 2 downfalls in my life and terribly bad ones. But what shaped me today is because of that. Actually, જેટલું લર્નિંગ મને મારા MBA થી નથી મળ્યું, જેટલું મને મારા એક્સપિરિયન્સથી નથી મળ્યું, or જેટલું મને ટ્રાવેલિંગથી બી નથી મળ્યું, that much I have learned in my tenure of my downfall.